So how do we actually connect a PlayStation 4 controller to our Nintendo Switch 1 or Switch 2? Well, there is actually a kind of an easy way to do so. If you're trying to connect it via Bluetooth right away, it's not gonna work. It doesn't recognize the controller, unfortunately. So we need to use a workaround. So I'm using one of those right here. You don't have to have this, by the way. This is a Think Plus, kind of like an adapter, I guess, so I can actually insert USB into it. So you don't have to use this. You can actually dock your Nintendo Switch instead and use the USB on the dock, basically. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So I'm just gonna insert it right here. And what I need to use as well is one of those, I got this 8-bit 2 to wireless adapter. This is gonna make sure that my Nintendo Switch is gonna recognize the PlayStation 4 controller, basically, if that makes sense. So I need to insert it right here. Once I have inserted, what I'm going to do is to just click on this button right here until it's gonna start blinking really fast, blue right here. And then I need to click on the PlayStation logo down below here that you should have, and also this button here at the same time until it's gonna start blinking here, as you can see. And right away it's connected here, as you can see. So now I'm actually able to use my PlayStation 4 controller without any problems here on my Nintendo Switch here. So yeah, basically that is how I was able to fix it myself. And once again, you don't have to use this. You can just insert this right here into the dock itself if your Nintendo Switch is docked and connected to a TV, basically. So yeah, that is how I was able to connect my PlayStation 4 controller to my Nintendo Switch.